The other day I found this big Arabian cowrie at the beach, and I picked it up with the intention of taking it home and trying to clear the calcification off of it with wet sandpaper, because I had a little bit of success with a lynx cowrie in the past. First, I chucked it into a bleach bath just to remove any smells and anything else unwanted from it on the inside. It was mostly just sand in there though. I picked up some 400 grit and 1500 grit wet sandpaper from the auto store because that's all they literally had on the higher end of the spectrum. And then I dried off the cowrie because it was all ready to go. It smelled much nicer this time, I tell ya. So after about 20 minutes, this is the result on one side of the cowrie. I've already taken off a lot of the calcification without too much effort, but it has revealed that the Arabian cowrie has a lot more textures on it than some other cowries, so the calcification is getting stuck into these little pockets and I can't get them out too easily. Right now, this is with the 400 grit sandpaper still, and about an hour was what it took for me to get it looking like this, with as much calcification removed as possible. For those of you with sharp eyes, you can see that I'm obviously losing a bit of the markings on top. Anyway, it's looking a little bit glossier now, so I spent about 20 minutes with the 1500 grit wet sandpaper to give it this nicer shine. And it becomes very obvious here which parts I have missed in those calcification dents and how much of the markings I am losing on top. So this is what my progress was with this cowrie, and I just wanted to put the question out there for anyone watching. Should I keep going to take it all the way down and remove the calcification and damage the pattern on it, which I'm not really worried about because this cowrie was not one that was going to be much good in the first place?
It's so stupid.
Or should I just leave it like this and enjoy it how it is? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, everyone!